Hey guys, once again, welcome back. And before we start, if you're new here, then please do subscribe my channel and click the notification button down below and help me reach 8,000 subscribers for even more better videos and reviews and DIY hacks for you guys. Anyways, so welcome back to Craftastic Forever, and today it's not really related to arts and crafts, but today I've got jelly beans. So yes, actually the thing is that I was supposed to do the Diwali special today, but since I already did the Halloween special sometime earlier, so I'm gonna do something different right now, which is reviewing jelly beans. So it might sound weird, but it's not that weird, because if you've seen other YouTubers like Toy Caboodle, Nerdy Crafter, then you would know it's not that weird. But these are special jelly beans, not just any jelly beans, because as you know, you cannot really find jelly beans in India, and if you do comment down below and tell me where. So these jelly beans are straight from Spain, and these are the special kinds of finny beans, which consists of 17 different flavors. As you can see, you can even take a screenshot if you want to read all the flavors, and I'm going to tell you, are these flavors good enough for you to eat, or are they not good? Let's get started. So this one has a a resealable bag. So first, I'm gonna not try all the flavors, let's just try 3 so we can choose which ones are better. I want to try out this one, which is pina colada. I'm sorry, cannot put it on focus, the camera doesn't work, but this one is pina colada. I'm gonna try and find it. What else? So I'm also gonna try this tutti frutti and a mango, and a watermelon. Yeah, so let me just find them quick. Okay, so here are the jelly beans. I know these are super tiny, but they're supposed to be that size for them. Anyways, let's keep this aside and let's taste. So the watermelon one has reddish brown spots with green color. The pina colada has white with some brown specks, and tutti frutti is plain transparent pink. Let's try the tutti frutti first. That's definitely more of a bubble gum, but it's super tasty. Yeah, it's really good. It doesn't even feel like as if you are eating jelly bean. It feels like you're chewing gum. So this is a thumbs up for me. And please do take care of your hygienic place, because do not want germs around. This is a very hygienic protective coat on my table. I'm not just keeping it just like that. So if you are also making videos or YouTubers, or if you are also simply just eating stuff, then please do be careful. Now the watermelon. Oh, it ran away. Anyways, let's taste it. OMG, you guys, this literally tastes like, you know, those Mentos chewing gums which come in long mini pockets. Yeah, that's the same taste. You won't believe it, it's like the same taste. You really have to buy these jelly beans, guys. This is so cool. Now for the last pina colada. It is really good, but it's more on the coconut side than the pineapple. And if you don't know what a pina colada is, it's basically a pineapple and coconut mix, sort of tropical, beachy sort of. But this is more of a coconut. It's meh, not that good, but KK. Anywho, I give this jelly beans a pass. These are the best jelly beans I've ever had, and I mean literally, these are even better than highbrow. No offense though. All jelly beans are really cool, but I really find these interesting. And if you do like these, you can buy them from Amazon online or from any other Flipkart online purchases. And be sure to subscribe my channel and stay sweet and stay creative. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.